What's happening with Doge's price today? Are the bulls taking charge or are the bears still at play? In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, our beloved Doge has been showing some interesting moves. Just yesterday, the bulls were trying to wrestle control back from the bears, pushing the price of Doge up by a modest 2.63%. However, it's essential to keep in mind the broader picture. Over the last week, Doge has actually taken a bit of a dip, falling by 5.62%. Let's dive a little deeper. As of now, Doge is dancing around the 15-cent mark. This is an intriguing number because it's just shy of a significant resistance level at $0.1506. For those who might not be familiar, a resistance level is like a ceiling that a cryptocurrency price struggles to break through. It's at these points that selling pressure often outweighs buying pressure, pushing the price back down. But here's the kicker. If the bulls manage to push Doge past this resistance level, we could see a potential breakout to $0.1510 to $0.1520. Now that might not seem like a big leap, but in the fast-paced world of crypto, every cent counts. However, before you get too excited, it's crucial to consider the daily and weekly charts. These suggest that Doge is in a consolidation phase around 15 cents, with low volume indicating a lack of significant buyer or seller activity. Consolidation is a period of indecisiveness where the price moves sideways, and it can be a precursor to a significant price move in either direction. So the market seems to be in a bit of a tug-of-war right now with bullish trends on the horizon, but a consolidation phase still in progress. Let's dive deeper into what the charts are telling us about Doge's current momentum. When we examine the hourly chart, it's evident that a bullish trend is in the works. The bulls are attempting to regain control, with Doge's price showing an increase of 2.63% in the past day. The bullish trend is approaching a resistance level of $0.1506, and if it continues to gather momentum, we might be looking at a potential breakout to the $0.1510 to $0.1520 range. Now, while the hourly chart gives us a snapshot of Doge's short-term performance, the daily and weekly charts provide a broader perspective on its overall trend. Here we can see a different picture. The daily and weekly charts suggest that Doge is in a consolidation phase. The price seems to be hovering around the $0.15 mark. This phase of consolidation indicates a lack of significant buyer or seller activity. Consolidation can be seen as a time of indecision in the market, a tug-of-war between the bulls and the bears. It's a period when the price moves within a certain range for an extended period, with neither buyers nor sellers gaining enough traction to push the price significantly higher or lower. It's a time of waiting and watching, as market participants assess the situation and decide on their next moves. But don't let the term consolidation fool you. While it may imply stagnation to some, it's often a precursor to a significant price movement. Once the market breaks out of this phase, whether upwards or downwards, we can expect to see a substantial shift in price. The charts paint a picture of potential growth but also suggest that we're still in a consolidation phase. It's a fascinating tug-of-war between the bulls and the bears, and only time will reveal who comes out on top. Now, what do the experts have to say about Doge's current market trends? Well, we've got some interesting insights from Dennis, an experienced trader who's been keeping a keen eye on Doge's performance. According to Dennis, there's a lot to unpack when it comes to Doge's technical and fundamental analysis. On one hand, we're seeing bullish trends on the hourly charts, with potential breakouts hovering around 15 to 20 cents. This suggests that the bulls are trying to regain control, which could lead to an upswing in price. However, the story seems a bit different when we look at the daily and weekly charts. Here we're noticing ongoing consolidation around the 15 cents mark. This simply means that the price is relatively stable and isn't making any significant moves up or down. The low volume of trades might indicate that there isn't much activity from either buyers or sellers. This lack of significant activity could be a sign that investors are playing it safe, waiting to see where the market will go next before making their move. But this is just one interpretation. Others might see this as a chance to buy or sell depending on their investment strategy and risk tolerance. And this brings us to an important point that Denise emphasizes: the need for thorough research and consultation with financial experts. Cryptocurrency, like any other investment, carries a certain level of risk, and while expert opinions can provide valuable insights, they're not a guarantee of success. Every investor has a unique financial situation and goals. Therefore, it's crucial to understand your own risk tolerance and investment objectives before jumping into the cryptocurrency market. Do your homework, stay informed, and don't be afraid to seek advice from professionals. As we can see, expert opinions can provide valuable insights, but each investor should do their due diligence before making any decisions. So, where might Doge be headed in the near future? The answer lies in the analysis of the market trends and the charts that traders diligently observe. Based on the bullish trend visible on the hourly chart, there's a significant potential for Doge's price to reach the 15.1 to 15.2 cents range. This could mean a possible breakout from the current levels. However, it's not all about the bullish trends and potential breakouts. The cryptocurrency market is a complex entity, and it's crucial to consider all aspects. The ongoing consolidation phase is a critical part of this puzzle. Consolidation often indicates a period of relative stability in the market, a time when the price is less volatile. This could be a result of a lack of significant buyer or seller activity, as indicated by the low volume surrounding Doge at this time. So what does this consolidation mean for Doge? It could be a sign that the market is preparing for its next move. While consolidation can sometimes precede a significant price movement, it can also be a phase of stability before the market decides its next direction. It's a period of equilibrium, a pause in the market's breath before it takes its next leap. And while we're talking about leaps, it's essential to remember that the world of cryptocurrency is as unpredictable as it is exciting. The future price of Doge, like any other cryptocurrency, is subject to a multitude of factors. These can range from global economic conditions to changes in investor sentiment, technological advancements, and even regulatory developments. While the future is never certain in the world of cryptocurrency, the current trends suggest that Doge may be on the brink of a breakout. However, the ongoing consolidation phase might be an indicator of more stability before any significant price movements. As always, keep an eye on the market, do your research, and stay informed.